Hello all, welcome to the next video of the series Let's Automate. Today we're going to calculate which student has scored how much marks, and then we will also calculate what grades they have got. So I have a set of students here and their marks in different subjects like math, physics and chemistry. So first thing that we will do is get the total. So just click on this and say total, and I'll say sum of these three, close the bracket, hit enter. I get an option to autofill. That's correct. Now let's take the percentage. Okay, so I take this divided by the three subjects, so it's 300. Again, I get an option to autofill. I'm selecting, so I got the percentage. So I'm making them bold, and now I need to put the grade. So I use if formula is equal to if of f2 is greater than 95%, comma, distinction, comma, if of f2 is greater than or equal to 90%, then it is first class. Observe the double quotes here. Then I'm going to write the next if condition. If f2 is greater than or equal to 80%, then comma c20 plus, close the quotes, comma, if of f2 is greater than or equal to 70%, comma, third class, otherwise fail. So anybody scoring less than 70% will be declared as fail. So here I missed out a percentage, so I'm going to add a percentage here, and now let's execute. So I'm getting all the details, and I'm also getting the auto suggestion. I'm clicking OK. So now I get easily who got what grade. Thank you.